Hello friends, I got Nakamichi Dragon for service, which was in very good visual condition, but owner mentioned that he's not satisfied with sound, that's missing high frequencies. I thought that someone messed with azimuth, NAC and so on. I completely rebuilt mechanism, adjusted heads and made some measurements, and I got this what you see on screen. Frequency not goes over 8 kHz. I tried to modify electronics but without success. So bottom line, head is bad. Shit. There is Nakamichi TD-1200 car stereo deck which have the same playback head as Dragon, and I have it. I bought it some years ago in very bad condition. So let's see what we can do now. I decided to make modification. Uh, it's not easy task, and as far as I know, no one did this before. I need to modify aluminum frame which holds original head and install it incorrectly. This sounds very easy, but believe me, it was not that simple. So after some days of grinding, brushing, adapting, adjusting head, I finally succeeded and head was installed in right position. I installed head block back to deck and made adjustments about tilt, height and azimuth, and deck was ready for test. Put inside frequency sweep, test tape from 20 till 20 kilohertz, and wow, it goes over 10 kilohertz, 15 kilohertz, 20 kilohertz. I made some more adjustments on deck and made another test and another and another, and well, everything was great. Deck goes over 20 kilohertz in range of 1 decibel, which is better than specifications. So, as you see, all can be done if there is a will and, of course, some knowledge. I hope you like this video. Like it, subscribe it, and thank you for watching.